Hello all, welcome to EC Electronics. So in this video, we are going to see a recruitment news from Delhi Subordinate Service Selection Board. So if you are belonging to Delhi or other locations, you are eligible to apply. And if you have qualifications, any graduation, or for people from 10th or diploma qualification is having openings. Okay, so we are going to see all details regarding this recruitment from Delhi Subordinate Service Selection Board. Okay, so here you have to click on this link called vacancy notice advertisement number 01/21. Okay, I've already opened it and I'm going to show you the details. Okay, so this recruitment is from government of NCT. NCT is National Capital Territory, okay, of Delhi, and there is actually a lot of openings for which they are recruiting. If you see the number of posts, totally there is 32 posts for which they are recruiting. Okay, so the posts are, before seeing the post, the last date for applying is 14th of April 2021 is the last date for applying. Okay, so you have to apply online on or before 14th of April. Now let us see the post details. Technical assistant public health, technical assistant printing, technical assistant civil, technical assistant chemical, technical assistant interior design, technical assistant automobiles, technical assistant production, technical assistant medical electronics. So various technical assistants they are recruiting. Then laboratory attendant, assistant chemist, assistant engineer, junior engineer, electrical mechanical, then draftsman. ITI people also have openings. Okay. So likewise, it goes on. Junior stenographer, junior engineer, then scientific assistant. So likewise, totally there is 32 vacancies. Also here you can see the openings. Okay. Special educator 54 openings. Then the opening details also you can see here. Junior engineer, electrical mechanical 6 opening. So for various departments of Delhi government, they are actually recruiting. Okay. So this is the site you have to follow for applying online, which I have shown you before. Next, let us see the qualification details. Everything they have given here in detail. Mostly all openings is for freshers, no experience they are asking. Okay, only computer knowledge, computer basic knowledge they are asking. So first one, technical assistant public health, matriculation or equivalent, then diploma, minimum of 2 years of regular duration. Okay, or bachelor degree in science or relevant field. Mostly they are asking any graduation or matriculation above. Okay, see here. Here also same. For every post, they have given the details, the experience detail. And see here, the experience they're asking is nil. That is, no experience they are saying. Okay. Age limit is 18 to 27 years. Mostly the age limit for all technical assistants is same. Here also it is 18 to 27 years. The pay scale, it is given here. About 20,000 will be the pay scale. Okay. Here also, again a technical assistant post. Qualification is same, bachelor degree of science degree, bachelor of science degree or equivalent. Pay scale is same, age limit is also same. Here also same, no experience they are asking. So that's all about the details of technical assistant. So this one is again for technical assistant. Instrumentation and control. So these are actually for electrical branch and electronics branch. Then technical assistant plastic. Then laboratory attendant. Here they are asking is 12th pass from a recognized board is a qualification they are asking. So as I've said in the beginning of this video, if you have at least 12th and above qualification, then you are eligible. Okay. Age limit is also same. Pay scale is also same. Okay, so you can see the other details of qualification, age limit. Actually, they have given us separate columns for all post. Okay. Now let us see the assistant engineer qualification. That is degree in electrical or mechanical engineering from a recognized university. So here you should require engineering degree. Pay scale is also varying here. 34,000 above will be the pay scale. Okay. Age limit is not exceeding 30 years. Again, age limit is different. So junior engineer electrical again. So you can see the other details on this notification. Now let us see the application procedure. So actually this is a very lengthy notification. See here, this is the application procedure. Must apply online. We have seen already, this is the site you have to follow. Okay. You have to apply online. The application fees is only 100 rupees is the application fees. And also they are saying that after you have submitted the application form, take a printout of the application form for future reference. And while you are going for giving the examination, you have to take the hard copies of your certificates, your admit card, then Aadhaar card, everything you have to take along with you for verification. Okay. So this thing they have given here. Now the mode of selection also they have given. The selection will be through 1 or 2 tier of examinations and skill test. So there will be either 1 or 2 tier of examination and skill test will be the selection process. Also they have given that which all areas you have to prepare for your the examination. Some posts are actually for non-technical, some posts are technical. So in that case there will be 2 tiers of selection. So for section A there will be general awareness, then general reasoning, everything. Then section B, it is actually subject related knowledge. Okay. So 2 tier of examination will be conducted. So the syllabus also they have given here. See. So that's all about the details of recruitment. We have seen actually all details. Now if you want a separate video on the syllabus and all, we'll be doing as a separate video, because otherwise it will be very lengthy video. The selection and the syllabus they have actually given along with this notification itself, but we'll be doing it as a separate video. Okay, so that's all about the recruitment news from Government of NCT Delhi. So that is actually coming under Delhi Subordinate Service Selection Board. Okay, so if you are interested, please to apply for it. Actually, if you are doing your final years of graduation also, you have opening, because people from 12th qualification above is having openings. Okay, so see the notification detail and apply for the respective post which you are interested in, because actually there is 32 posts or 32 openings is there. So don't miss out this opening. Okay, so that's all about the recruitment update from Government of NCT Delhi. So if you are interested, apply before 14th of April. Okay. So if you found this video useful, please to give it a thumbs up. Also share it with your friends. And if you want more videos, please to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching and keep on watching.